can't tell you why I fell in love with old Volkswagen buses. They have a certain charm and nostalgia about them. Not many other vehicles make me smile like these things do.
Unless they won't start or break down. Then I want to punch them straight in the...
After months of scouring the internet and slowly talking my fiance into the idea, I found the bus I wanted. It was located only 2.5 hours away in a small town called Newton, Kansas. I worked up the courage to make an offer after poring over the classified ad pictures and videos. It was priced about $2,000 above my budget at the time. On April 8th of 2011, I sent Huxley's owner an email. It said, "If I came to your place tomorrow with $3,000 in cash or a cashier's check, would you be able to let it go?" Then I waited. Just 2 hours later, I get the email response I was hoping for. In short, he said, "If I bring $3,000 in cash tomorrow, it's mine." His email also said, "If you show up with $2,999.99, I'll watch you drive away in your car." End quote. It's actually happening, I thought. The next day, my father and I drove down and found it parked in the driveway next to an older style home. It was a little rougher than I expected. I was in love with it. After a test drive and kicking the tires, I handed over the $3,000 in cash, not a penny less, and we were on our way home. After a generous amount of mechanical work to make it safe to drive, we had ventured around the central and mountain regions of the United States. My wife and I took trips from Kansas City to local campgrounds, to the base of 14,000-foot peaks, to my cousin's wedding in New Mexico, and even to the Grand Canyon with my dad and his Volkswagen bus. I'd always planned on keeping Huxley around, but didn't always have the funds to restore him to his former glory. One year, that changed.